Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope that you all will be fine and taking good care of yourselves and your studies as well. Dear students, our today's topic is formal letter. Do you know what is a formal letter? Let me tell you, a formal letter is a letter written in a formal way of language and follows a specific format. Formal letters are sent to the organizations, government departments, shareholders, or etc. to make complaints, requests, inquiries, orders. In case of formal letters, the person whom you are addressing the letter is not a friend or any other person known to you. So your writing style must be formal. You have to write in a very formal way, and you have to use the words very formal words in this letter. So let us first discuss the format of the formal letter. In the formal letter, we write double address. I mean, first we have to write the address of the sender, then we put the date, and after that, we skip one line and then we write the address of the recipient to whom we are writing the letter. Okay, then comes the salutation, means you have to write the name of the person as respected sir or respected ma'am. Then you have to write the subject. If you're requesting whatever the matter it is, or whatever the issues you're complaining about, you have to write that subject there. Then comes the body of the letter. Okay, the body of the letter must be you have to write in a very formal writing. Okay, the body of the letter must be concise and you don't have to drag it too much. So, in this way, you have to write the formal letter. As I have told you that these letters are written for official purposes only, such as writing a letter to manager, to the principal of school, or to the commissioner. But we do not use formal letters for personal use, such as writing it to our family or friends. Formal letters require some specific rules and conventions. Also, the language of the letters should be very professional. So, I have told you about some rules. I have told you about the format of the formal letter. Now, let me tell you about some important points that you have to remember. First of all, you have to address or greet the concerned person. Second, always mention the subject of writing the letter. Don't forget to write the subject of the letter. Then you must be concise in your letter. The tone of the letter should be very polite and not harsh. You must not get aggressive writing the letter. Okay. Next, write in a proper format and take care of the presentation of a letter. Then you have to mention the date and address correctly. Don't forget to mention the name and designation of the recipient correctly. The closing of the letter should be with gratitude and use thank you for consideration of the letter, and then at last mention yours truly or sincerely along with your name and signature. Okay, so in this way you have to write the formal letter. Now, dear students, let us first discuss the difference between the formal and informal letter. For the formal letter, it is written in a formal way or a professional way, and informal letter, it can be as casual also. And for the formal letter, it is an official announcement by a person or a firm. And as I have told you, informal letter is non-official. And number third difference is the formal letter of the letter should be the format of the letter should be followed, and in informal letter there is no particular format. The next difference is the formal letters are written for official reasons and the informal letters are written for personal reasons. So these are few difference that I have told you, and I hope that you will write a formal letter by your own in a very good way. Next, my dear students, I have to assign a formal letter that you have to write by yourself in your grammar notebooks. So you have to write a letter to a municipal corporation about the open drains in your area. Okay? So you have to start the letter by writing examination hall, and then you have to write city ABC, then you have to write the date. Then this is the address of the sender. Okay, you are sending the letter, so you will write examination hall, you will put comma, then you write city, the name of the city Bahawalpur, or you may have to write city ABC. Then you have to put the date. The date format must be as today is 25 25th May 2021, but you have to write like Tuesday 25 May 2021. Then you have to put full stop, then you have to skip one line, then you will write the commissioner to whom you are writing this letter. Then on the next line you will write the municipal corporation, then you will write the salutation, respected sir, and after that, skipping one line, you will write the subject. In the subject you have to write complaining about the open drains in our area. Okay, then comes the body of the letter. As I have told you that the body of the letter must be concise and you don't have to drag it too much. Then you have to start I am sorry to report that the drainage system in our locality need much to be desired. The present drainage system is so effective that good shower would create the whole area into a collection of small lakes and pools. The clogging of rainwater in some of these parts of the city becomes as deep as 3 feet. Many times that problem has been brought to the concerned authorities through the press and other means, but nothing has been done. So, next you have to write the closing lines. Maybe hope that you would immediately look into this matter and take urgent steps to solve this problem. And in the last, you have to write yours truly, and you have to write your name, or you may write XYZ. So, in this way, you have to write this formal letter on your notebooks by your